Okay, so hello everybody. This is XX Dream Money here, and today I'm going to be doing. I'm mostly just going to be talking about why I stopped posting, what I plan to do, and what my channel's going to be mostly consist of. So it's mostly let's deal with the what can you expect if you go onto this channel? You can mostly expect games. I'm not gonna lie, animation a few times. I actually like doing animation, but I need to set up my tablet with this new computer. I got this new beast of a computer for Christmas, and I am so happy with it. How am I supposed to pass this one? Don't worry, I'm not a noob at obbies. I do obbies pretty consistent. So, um, what else am I going to talk about? Well, there is the fact that okay. Um, well, I'm nervous about something, and if you guys couldn't tell, it's that I have a working mic. You guys can hear me now in my deep voice or squeaky ass voice. I don't know. I should probably not cuss on this channel. I'll cut that out if I can, or not. I'll just redo this entire bit. So, yeah, I got this new beast of a computer, and I have a mic and a bunch of other stuff. But my Christmas was fine. I hope all you guys were too. But I'm mostly, so again about this channel, it's mostly just going to consist of video games, me collabing with a few people, a few other small YouTubers, like RK47, um, ACMSR. Even though he hasn't posted in like 3 years, I'll try to make him post. Also, if you happen, go check out ACMSR and RK47 Surgeon. Or Redequi is how his name is. They're they're both really good YouTubers and really good friends of mine. And yeah, they actually post some pretty good content. So, what can you expect on this channel? Like, what kind of games? What is this going to be like? No cussing zone or anything like that? Well, I'm going to try to keep this PG. I'm going to try not to cuss as much as possible. For games, I'm planning to do a few Minecraft, a few Roblox, you know, here and there. Maybe a few Death Counter game. Maybe like, I mean like, I'll do a game where it's like really hard, or like I like playing it, but I just keep dying. So I'll put like a death counter up. Every time I'll die, I'll like count it up and see how many times we die, and then see if we can actually win or like if we just lose utterly. So I'm planning to do that with a few other games. Like honestly, for games that are like really hard, like maybe Cuphead, Hollow Knight, Hat in Time. If I do get those games, I have Hollow Knight, so if you guys want to see Hollow Knight, please put that down in the comments. And if you guys want to see like anything else, please put it down in the comments. Because I might put up more War Thunder, maybe a few games of me playing League with my friend AC. I think his name is AC now. It's either ACMSR or just AC. I don't know. But yeah, they're again, go check out their channels. So now it's time to talk about animation. So, what's animation gonna be like? Well, I'm planning to one, do better than stick figures, and also try to get a little bit more fluent in animations. I wanted to start a series called Red versus Green, or the colors, something along those lines, where it's a bunch of colors with powers and they're all fighting each other. I know it's happened, a lot of people has come up with that idea, but I actually like the idea and I kind of want to make my own storyline off of it. and I should have made that jump. But other than that, I would really like to do a lot more animation, and yeah, maybe I can do a few meme animations, like a few other things. Okay, so where was I? Animation, right? I had to leave really quick, so I just paused the recording. Other than that, yeah, I may do like a few animated memes, like the ones that you see, like the minigun or stuff like that. Yeah, I would actually like to do those. Give me a second. Sorry about that, I'm just nervous. Because this is my first time doing an audio overlay on a YouTube channel. So now you guys get to hear this voice actually talk. It isn't just captions and you guys imagining what my voice is going to be like. But okay, I swear I'm not this bad. I've technically already beat this entire thing. So I'm not bad. Don't worry about that. I'm not bad. Oh my gosh, okay. I may be bad. But yeah, other than that, yeah. So that's most of the topics. So I don't know when this is gonna come out. I don't know if it's gonna come out because there's too much background noise. No, I almost finished. Oh boy. One thing I do want to test out is like me doing like a deep voice, like again, probably like ASMR, but like up against the mic. See how well that goes. Maybe I'll do that for like a death count video. That would be hilarious. Just like hearing it like as very relaxing, and then just hear screaming about like how I keep dying and how I should hit stuff. Dude, that would be hilarious. Like actually, I might do that just cause that's funny. And do I expect this YouTube channel to grow anywhere? No, not really. Like, I like doing YouTube as like a fun little hobby, but I understand that there's a lot of YouTubers who aren't going to make it like big time, like PewDiePie, Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, Game Theory, and stuff like that. So I know this is most likely going to fail. Everyone else does generic content like this, but I really want to do YouTube. It's been a dream of mine, and yeah, it'd be so much fun to do. And I don't want to do it just for like the fame or anything like that. But mostly why I want to do it is just, well, one, for anyone who just wants to escape to like something else. If anyone just wants to do anything, relax their mind, I want to try to be there for them. But yeah, other than that, I don't wanna. See, half of me really wants to do YouTube, but other half really just wants to not kind of do it. Cause I know like the pressure, the stress, and everything like that, and like how the fame goes to people's heads. So I really don't want that to happen. I don't want to become one of those cringe YouTubers who just post just to post. That's like half of the reason why I haven't posted. It's because I haven't felt like it, and also because school and stuff like that. Speaking of school, school's been hard. Hopefully everyone else who's in school and is having this little Christmas break is having a fun time. But yeah, we have about 20 more seconds for this video. So I'm gonna wish you all a good Christmas break and hope that you guys enjoy the content that will come out onto this channel. So thank you, and please subscribe and like if you